Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best long bottle cleaning brush that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Steel Bottle Brush. This product one of the top sellers in the market due to its ergonomic design and features. The long, flexible neck can reach to all the curvy ends. It is either bottles, carafes or pitchers, this brush can clean it all. The brush comes with double uses. The outer bristles are soft and clean the walls of the bottles without scratching it. And the lower bristles reach the corners and scrub all grime. It has a smooth, anti-slippery grip so your usage becomes easy. Even with wet hands, the brush would be in your grip. The attached hook makes it easy to hang the brush anywhere in the kitchen. Apart from basic water bottles, you can use this amazing brush for baby bottles and stemware. It has a long, flexible neck that can reach out at tough spots with ease. So any bottle or pitcher won't remain uncleansed. Moving on at number 4, we have the Munchkin Bristle Bottle Brush. The next product on the list is this high-quality, durable bottle brush. Coming with a unique design, easy handling option, it is quite reliable. This brush is free from BPA and other toxic substances that might compromise your health. Due to this feature, the brush is the best option for baby bottles too. It has a flexible neck that reaches tough corners and ends to scrub off the dirt. No matter what the shape is, the brush can clean it all and remove the crud. The strong, textured handle provides a soft yet non-slippery grip. Even with wet, soapy hands, one can use it with ease. The robust design, nylon bristles work tough on stains, but keeps the inner surface safe. At number 3, we have the Kitcheny Silicone Bottle Brush. If you are also tired from those old, tacky sponges and its stench, or those old, stiff bristles that scratch the bottles, then here is an amazing product for you. Made with high-grade silicone, this brush will last longer than others. The brush is BPA-free and safe to use. It also provides up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat resistance. The silicone is bacteria-free and does not accumulate germs like sponges. There won't be any odor, brown bristles or greasy stains. These features make this product the safest and hygienic option. Its long handle can reach to the bottoms and curves of bottles. Now, you can say goodbye to those stubborn grime, stains, etc. You can wash the brush as silicone won't hold soap. Add warm water to get rid of any remains. At number 2, we have the Dr. Brown's Bottle Brush. Made with quality material, this brush is BPA-free. You can rely on this product about your health. It would not only clean the bottles but also keep them free from germs, bacteria. This brush is best for all the baby bottles as it has an attached sponge on the tip. The bristle cleans the wall LS of the bottle thoroughly, whereas the sponge cleans the lowest parts of the bottle. The chevron channels at the base are suitable for cleaning nipples. The handle is non-slippery, grooved so you can use it with ease. For facile storage, there is a clip attached. Also, you can throw it in the washer like it's dishwasher safe. And finally at number 1, we have the Rubbermaid Bottle Brush. This next product is an ideal choice for bottle cleaning and especially baby bottles. Made from premium quality material, this is a must-have item. If you are also tired of those old sponges, that can do nothing but build bacteria, or those old brushes with small handles that won't even reach the bottom, don't worry, we have your problem solved with this product. As this single brush is able to clean various bottles. The flexible head can fit the hard corners and bottom. The use is not for bottles only but also pans, pots, dishes, etc. The synthetic bristles can last longer. It has a non-slippery handle that provides a strong grip. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.